If you're a cooking enthusiast, this Backcountry Iron's 6.5-inch cast iron skillet is a tool you can't afford to miss. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this skillet is engineered to deliver exceptional heat retention, even cooking, and a host of benefits that will elevate your culinary creations. Perfectly sized for small portions, this skillet isn't just for traditional meals. It's great for everything from cornbread and desserts to savory meat dishes, vegetables, and casseroles. Why choose the Backcountry Iron 6.5-inch cast iron skillet? Number 1. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. Unlike many cast iron pans that require hours of seasoning before you can even think about cooking with them, the Backcountry Iron skillet comes pre-seasoned with a proprietary oil blend. This means you can start cooking immediately without worrying about spending time building up that perfect patina. The seasoning is done right, ensuring a natural, easy-release cooking surface that improves with every use. Number 2. Superior heat retention. One of the defining features of Backcountry Iron's skillet is its exceptional ability to retain and evenly distribute heat. Cast iron's natural properties make it ideal for searing, braising, and slow cooking, while its consistent heat ensures your food cooks evenly every time. No more hot spots or undercooked areas, just flawless meals, from start to finish. Number 3. Versatility in cooking. No matter your preferred cooking method, this skillet has you covered. It's fully compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Want to take it outdoors? You can use it on the grill, in the barbecue, or even over an open fire pit for added flavor. It's perfect for everything from searing steaks to baking cornbread, frying vegetables, or even making your favorite dips or desserts. Number 4. Durable and built to last. Crafted with the finest virgin ore and designed to last for generations, the Backcountry Iron 6.5-inch cast iron skillet is a solid investment. This small, yet mighty skillet is built to withstand years of heavy use, while its smoother finish compared to other brands, like Wagner or Griswold, means an easier cooking experience and less time spent scrubbing. Plus, its durable construction means it won't wear out or lose its performance over time. Number 5. Easy maintenance. Caring for this skillet is a breeze. Simply hand wash it using warm water and avoid soaking it overnight or putting it in the dishwasher. After cleaning, dry it immediately and apply a light layer of oil to keep rust at bay. If needed, polish the surface with a stainless steel chainmail scrubber for a smoother patina. It's low maintenance, and with a little care, it will serve you well for years. Number 6. Perfectly sized for small meals. At 6.5 inches, this skillet is ideal for cooking smaller portions, whether you're making a quick breakfast or preparing a small side dish. The compact size also makes it great for individual servings, like fried eggs, roasted vegetables, or a small steak. Its manageable size is perfect for solo cooks, couples, or anyone looking to prepare smaller meals without using a large pan. Key features: pre-seasoned with proprietary blend of oils for a natural non-stick surface. 6.5 inches in diameter, making it perfect for small meals and personal portions. Excellent heat retention for evenly cooked food, every time. Compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops, as well as oven, barbecue, and fire pit use. Made from high-quality virgin ore for durability and longevity. Smoother finish compared to other brands, ensuring easier cooking and cleaning. Why Backcountry Iron? Backcountry Iron isn't just another cookware brand. It's a small, artisan company founded by food lovers who understand the importance of quality, craftsmanship, and innovation in the kitchen. Their passion for cooking is evident in every skillet they create, and their focus on high-performance cookware is second to none. Supporting a small business means you're not only investing in a product, but also in a team of chefs and home cooks dedicated to improving the way we cook and eat. Who should buy the Backcountry Iron 6.5-inch cast iron skillet? Home cooks who want a versatile, reliable skillet for small portions and individual meals. Outdoor enthusiasts looking for a rugged pan that can be used over an open flame or grill. Beginners who want an easy-to-care-for cast iron skillet that's pre-seasoned and ready for use. Health-conscious cooks who appreciate the durability and health benefits of cooking with cast iron. Conclusion: whether you're cooking a quick dinner for one, preparing a delicious side dish, or baking a small dessert, The Backcountry Iron 6.5-inch cast iron skillet is the ideal companion for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.